If you've never been to Guiyang, go grab yourself a beer and watch
so I'm in
it.
Guiyang. We're gonna walk up this little street right here and kind of see what it is. And I'm gonna label it with the street that I'm on as well. And just to give you a little reference point of where we are before we start the other way. We got some kind of interesting food stall stuff. And I've been seeing this one, I had it earlier, it's a little bit sour. It's kind of like sour tofu, I think. I don't know, not sure exactly what it is. And I'm staying in this hotel over there. But in this particular video, I'm just gonna go up this street, which has a lot of, looks like food stalls and a little bit of density. So stay tuned for that in Guiyang.
If you've never been to Guiyang, go grab yourself a beer and watch it here. We'll show you Guiyang. Go get yourself that beer.
Guiyang, what a city. What a city. Actually, it's not really a known city, but I just went there and I just loved it. So anyways, I have a ton of videos. I have 15 videos. This is number 2. The first video was my amazing hotel, which you can see would just set the scene for the city for me. Oh man, like look at this behind me. Amazing. But today I'm going to give you a preview of video number 2 because I'm going to be going down a food street. And actually this food street was a lot of fun too. So you can see some of the food that I got. And then I had to go get juice and I'm just kind of walking around looking for places to sit. And I'm just seeing all the different stuff. And this video ended up being kind of a longer one because it was so interesting. And when I first came out, I kind of just wandered a little bit, and then all of a sudden it's like this food street opened up to me. And I just kind of like the interactions with the people. I like the, you know, people are so honest, and I don't know, just a really cool city. Everything I did in Guiyang. So anyways, I got 15 subscribed. Every 5 days I'll put up some new ones. So stay tuned because it's a pretty good city and I got some really good film footage. But this is number 2. This is actually a really good one as well because there's so much activity in this food area. Okay, nonetheless, Guiyang. Okay, so we're in Guiyang. This is going to be the street I'm going to walk on. It's kind of a random street, but they do have a lot of food items which I kind of want to see. That looks kind of fried, but really tasty. And I can tell there's hardly any tourists in this city. I've been followed already. I just got out of the hotel. I was followed around a little bit. There's oranges. I think those are probably really tasty. Got followed a little bit, but not in a bad way. Just people are so curious. So we're gonna just capture what we can capture around here. Looks spicy. That looks really tasty. That looks tasty as well. Since we got some more stuff down that way, but I'm just going to keep on going up the street. Fried eggs. Yeah, I've been getting a lot of stares, and I took out my phone for translation, and people staring at my phone. That looks kind of tasty. And then just a minute ago, somebody saw me and said something in English. Might be following me right now, so I'm not going to say it. But this road looks pretty interesting. If I can find some good street food, I'll get it. Actually, those oranges look pretty tasty. But I heard that they're out of season, so right now it's not the best time, but I don't know, maybe that was the bulk of the... We're gonna keep on walking up. There's some old style containers. Huh. So this street has all kinds of stuff. I think I'm going to just keep on going all the way to the end of it. Give you a taste of... So I couldn't tell you if this, what reference point this would be. I know it's near the hotel that I am staying in. Like I just had some potato chips. Must be. He just grabbed one. He just grabbed a potato chip and put it in his mouth. I kind of want to do that myself, but I guess the street has like stamps. These are for your ID names and stuff like that. So I guess what I'm gonna do is we'll just keep on walking around the corner. That street was kind of empty, and it did have some interesting choices there. But I kind of want to just meander, see what else we can come across. And I saw this pedestrian street that I guess is relatively new, but it's about a 40-minute walk, it said. It said 2.4 kilometers. I can take a taxi there too, of course, but it seems like a kind of interesting area right around here. So I'm just kind of meandering. That one looks like there's a lot of people over there. So anyways, we're just kind of meandering around Guiyang. So I think what I might do is just try to get over on that other side. One of the things I've learned about Guiyang so far, and I read about it already, was that people say you go up and down a lot. And I think that might be true. Because I think I want to go over there now, but I have to go down to get over there. So I guess that's what I'll do. Actually, it looks like what people are doing is they just run across the street. So I guess I might try to do the same. And it looks like they're all kind of doing that. So I guess I'm gonna do it too. Run across a little bit. Then we're looking for something that's kind of Guiyang-ish to eat as well. And I think I might have to try to find this pedestrian street. I might just take a taxi there and then walk back. I like to walk more so I can see things properly. That's kind of cool. Check out those apartments up there. It's just like a giant, all these apartments with these big circular windows. And if you saw my video with my hotel, it also has that too. That one right there. Some pretty nice views everywhere here. It's a very vertical city. That was one of the things that brought me here, is that it's vertical. Some of the tallest buildings are here. I like how they have a lot more rice here. Some cities it's hard to find. It's like there's like a lot of like noodles and beef. So this is the street I was thinking about going down. Now that I'm here. All these carts are kind of moving, I don't know why. A lot of smells here. I don't know what that smell is, I don't recognize it, but if I ate already, I could get snacks. So I guess this street is called I saw the name a minute ago. I'll find it another time later. Why? Let's see. If I can find something that looks interesting, I'm gonna eat it for sure. But I'm. Spicy. Huh. I would like to try that because I heard that that's this kind of herb. Might be kind of spicy, and I don't know. I wouldn't want a whole bunch of them. So, but there's one kind of an organic herb that I heard about. The rice looks good too. Food does look pretty good around here. Let's see, I guess we're gonna just keep walking up this way. And then they got Should I go like with this, or how does that?
这个把它剪开以后， 加这些进去。
And then mix these two. How much? And it's how much is it?
啊，这里有。
So maybe I'll take this one and it goes to these two.
这两个，
Yeah.
对不对？
Is that?
那想加这两个。
加这两个是吧？
Yeah, and then it goes in that.
Mantou, it's mantou.
Okay. And how much is it? Is it?
这个是
Meat.
这个，
Oh, this one is 2, 3.
对，
Oh, okay.
这个是这个，
That was 2.
哎，
Okay. Maybe I'll just take just one with that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Would you like?
Is that spicy?
Yes or no?
Yeah, I'll take some.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's little.
Oh, it's bitter? I
Okay.
think it's okay. And then this is bitter too, right? Does that go too, or no?
Yes.
Or this same?
It's no.
Oh, okay. Oh, sorry.
啊，那在我这边没有。
Two.
How much is it for? Maybe just that one. Oh, 2 is okay.
Two.
How much is that? Is it 2
还有什么？
RMB?
Okay. Okay.
Is that right?
It's 两个买的。
我不晓得。
One has two.
Just one. Just one. Yeah.
我买的。
And then is it 2 RMB?
20. Oh,
20.
No. 12.
12. Okay. So she put some sauce.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye. So now we got a sandwich. So we'll see how that is. I kind of want to get some juice as well. Hello. So I kind of want to get some juice as well, so we're going to look for that. It's kind of cool that they got some bread. Didn't really expect that. So anyways, this looks like a kind of an interesting sandwich. It's either going to be amazing or not, but I don't know which. I guess it's going to be a little bit bitter, so I'll expect that. Then once I eat that, then I'm kind of good for snacks. Let's see if I can find something to drink. Watermelon. Let's see. If I can find some drinks, that'd be good. This is the one I kind of want to try. This one I heard is really bitter, but organic and herbal. Let's see. When I see a place to sit, I just need to get something to drink. So this is where I'm going to sit as soon as I get a chance. Hopefully there's still seats available. But I need to find something to drink first. Yeah, it's amazing they have all these food street, and they also have chairs, somewhere to sit. So at this point, I'm gonna go over there. That's a possibility. That looks really tasty. Potatoes. Okay, so now I gotta find some liquid. Maybe one. Yeah, 6 is okay. So we're gonna mix some oranges. So I think she's gonna make this fresh. Oh, this is gonna be really tasty. Oh, it's amazing. It's gonna be really fresh. The food here looks really tasty. In Guiyang. Just getting like fresh orange juice like that for. Thank you. And then was that? That's good. Thank you. So I don't know. I thought she said it was 6. We'll let this car go by first. Then we're gonna go walk over and get our seats over there. I'm curious to get. I'm gonna try this one first, this sandwich. Either this is gonna be really amazing or it's gonna be like too bitter. Looks like it has a lot of stuff I'm not too familiar with, but we're gonna find out in a minute. I like that it's in a bread form though. I think we're gonna sit right here. Oops, you got that spot. So we're gonna grab another seat over here. I think we're gonna grab this one. She got this one. Let's see. I'll just grab the seat here. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so I'm going to open this up. And I guess the first way to do this is just take a bite and then try to sort out what ingredients are things that I might like and which ones I might not. It tastes good. Wow. I didn't expect that to be have with bread and such. Anyways, I'm gonna enjoy this sandwich. Guiyang.